Okay, welcome back, Option Sharks. This is your option coach here. Today it's morning time, joining you on my terrace. Take a look at the view. Beautiful weather. Sun's starting to come out. Okay, so in this video, I want to cover about the myth of diversifying. Right, diversifying is something that's been preached and programmed to in our minds since I would say 20, 30 years ago, where that's the way to build wealth. The way I look at it, I don't see how that's the case anymore, right? Because the times that we live in now, things are innovating and evolving at a rapid pace. Okay, so what has worked in the past during that environment, that market environment, does not apply to the current market environment that we are in. And also, there's a saying of timing the market and time in the market. I believe that in this time now, it's not the time in the market, but timing in the market, and that goes against the grain and what we have been taught and what's been shared out there, right? So I do believe now it's not the time in the market that's going to do well, but it's the timing in the market, right? Because there's many ways to build wealth, but you have to know when's the right time to get in, when to get out, because there's quite a few opportunities, and if you stay in trying to use time in the market, the way to build wealth is a very slow process, all right? And it may or may not work out. And that's what has worked in the past, but now we live in a very different times. So I think, and also, yeah, a lot of people that I have spoke to in the past are really wealthy. How they build their wealth, and I'm talking about the last 5 years, right? Not the 10 years, but I would say the last 5 years, how they were able to build substantial wealth in the stock market is usually just through one or two stocks, and it's not from diversifying, right? So they may have at least 300K, $500,000, up to $1 million or more, usually just off one or two stocks that were home run stocks. So that's my perspective now, and the way I look at it now is that if you are looking to build wealth, you really need to find a stock that, number one, is not too volatile, okay, and does not have too many swings, okay, and also they have enough market share where they're serving a much larger market share, total addressable market, and regions of the world, right? So more parts of the world, and strong customer base, and strong utility when it comes to the technology that we're in, when it comes to AI and crypto and anything related to that industry, all right? So if you guys already know, if you're following my channel, I'm very heavy on Hood, H-O-O-D. I believe Robinhood is doing everything right. They have a young executive team. They are expanding, they're aggressive, and they're making all the right moves in the market, and as far as expansion and tapping into crypto and tokenization. All right, so I believe the myth about diversifying is a thing of the past. I believe in time in the market, not time in the market. And I believe that you need to find one or two stocks that you can hit a home run with, right? But having patience around it and slowly build out a big position around the stock. All right. So what I'm personally doing is I'm building a big position around Hood, and every chance, every opportunity I get. And Robinhood is trading below 115. So I believe anything below 115 on Robinhood is a buy. Okay. So you can sell puts to get in, or you can just buy the position outright. So that's my perspective. If you guys like what I shared today, like and subscribe, leave a comment. And if you are in the markets, you want to generate income trading options anywhere between 3 to 10%, book a time. The link is in the description in the comment, and then you'll personally speak with me. I'll see if we're a good fit, and we'll see if we can help you, and then we'll go from there. And of course, stay tuned for the second half of this video. You'll see an actual live sample of a coaching call that I do with one of my members, and see how I help them generate income. All right, so other than that, I wish you a great day wherever you are, and I'll see you on the next one. Yeah, so retirement account, you can roll. We're going to just let 1250 put get assigned the shares at 1250. The Hood is perfect, so we just leave it. We're going to roll we're not going to roll. We just buy the close, right, and then release the collateral and make a new trade. And then Pony is a 1350 cover call. We're going to just let the shares get called away, okay, because we cannot roll, unfortunately, and we're not going to pay money to close it. So we're just going to let the shares get called at 1350, and then once it gets called at 1350, you're going to have your Pony shares, the 500 shares, they will go away. You'll sell all your shares, okay. Let's look at your Pony's stock. Click on your Pony. I just want to see your cost basis number. No, that's the options. Go back to the stock itself. Up. There's this Pony. Where's stocks? You have options, and then you have stocks on the right.
Oh, see.
Yeah. Let's go down. What's your cost on this? Let's go down. 1450. Okay. It's all good. It's a little bit. You're getting your shares called away at 1350, so $1 difference. So you'll realize $1 difference, so it's about $500, 500 shares. But you already made that up to premium, so it's kind of like breaking even. Okay, unfortunately, you cannot roll on the retirement accounts. But okay, I just wanted to see this. So let's just leave that alone. And then let's go back to retirement. And then Archer, we just leave it alone. So let's just roll no, let's buy the close, the hood, the 105 put, and we're gonna make a new trade. And then we're also gonna do cover calls. And yeah, there you go. How many contracts? You have 4.
Or
Did you get filled?
pencils, right?
Yep.
Paying 116 to buy back 4 open contracts will use collateral with allocation of 5.
No, that's too high. Go back. Change the bid ask to 0.224. So go at the bottom, go back.
0.24. Okay. $96 to buy back 4 open contracts.
Yeah. Actually, you might not get filled for that, but we'll try. You need to go to like 0.25.
It says short replace, so that didn't go through, right?
No, it didn't say fill. Go back and replace order. Change it to 0.25.
Where's the
It's right
back?
here. Done. Yeah. Click on the
Replace order?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hit continue. 0.25. No, 0.26, 0.26. 0.26. Let's just get, yeah, that's one. All right, submit. Okay. So the collateral, 42,000 is released. Okay. And you made about 500 or so in that trade. So all right, let's go back to the retirement and let's do some cover. We're gonna do a cover call on Archer. So click on Archer trade, the stock itself. I just want to see what your cost. Not the options. This is the option. Go down. 1250. Okay. So let's trade Archer options on the right, bottom right. And then sell call August 1st. And look for 1250. There you go. All right, perfect. It's only $10. You have two contracts, 200 shares. So just do 2 contracts. So make about $20 here. Yeah, process that. So this trade lets you make $20 at the same time. Archer recovers, you will get out of the trade at a break even. All right, that's built. Great. All right, let's type in. Hood has ran up again, so I don't know. Actually, no, we're good. HOOD. Yeah, we can do 100 strike. The premiums are right now super juicy because of earnings. Pre-earnings is always high volatility volume. You'll make bank on this one. Hit trade. You can only do 4 contracts, I think. Sell put. August 1st. Yeah. And let's go aggressive. I want to help you make some good money here. 101. Go down. Select 101.01. Yeah. That, oh my God. It's fucking awesome. So that the collateral is 10,100. Okay.
Yeah.
42,817. 42,817 divided by, oops. 42,817 divided by 11,1. No, 10,001. Yeah, 10,100. 4 contracts. Let's see if you get 4 out. Get 4 out. Wait, go back. Don't always. You want to make a little bit more. Go down. Go back. Yeah, there's always a bid and ask. There's a spread, right? You want to don't go for the minimum. Get a little bit more. Go for 2.99. All right, let's see. Let's process that. Let's see if you get filled. Go up. Boom. Just made about 1,200 right there. Right. And now this is rare. The only time you can capture this much premium is when there's earnings, pre-earnings. When there's pre-earnings, there's high volatility, high volume. This is how you capitalize on the moment, right? So obviously, if you didn't have coaching, you wouldn't know when to be aggressive, when not to be aggressive, right? When to, put the floor to the gas to the floor, whatever, and then when to slow down. So this is a great opportunity to lock in hood at this rate, especially at this type of premium. You're not going to see this type of premium all the time, only during pre-earnings. Okay, so same thing. So you just made 1,200 here, and then you made another 20 there. So it's about So this portfolio is done, and then the other two, you're gonna get your pony shares called away, and then you're also gonna get assigned Archer. So you're gonna have more shares of Archer on Monday. You're gonna have total 300 shares of Archer, and then all your pony shares will disappear on Monday. So 500 shares of your pony will be sold off at 1350 because your strike's 1350. All right, and then that money will be in your portfolio to trade. So we'll have more capital to work with.
Okay. And
You're doing good, man. Look how much you made. How much you started. Let's look at the flat line on the far left. Yeah, you started with me around 51 or some shit like that. Oh no, that's the pre-market. Let's click on 1 month. Yeah, you started with me around when you started.
I think it was like I remember it was like 40, 49 or something, around 49.
Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, I'm up. So
Okay. All right, let's go to the other portfolio. All right, what do we got here? Archer put. Okay, now we can roll this put. So the Archer, that one, open that, and we're gonna go to bottom, roll this position. We're gonna roll 8-1. It's already there. It's like 1250. There you go. And just you'll make a little bit here. Just $9. It's only one contract. We're just gonna roll that. 0.062. Try 0.08. Yeah, let's just go with that. It should get filled. Okay, great. And then Pony 1350 call. We're gonna roll that. Oh, actually, let's see what you click on Pony stock. The stock itself down. No, up. There it is. Now the 200 shares down one more. Yeah. What's your cost on this one now? Okay, good. So go back to the main page, and we're gonna sell a cover call. And we're gonna roll the put at 1350. So no, go back to the options, the main screen. Yeah, roll the 13. Oh, you have the 1350. Yeah, I'm gonna roll that. So click on that. Oh no, but it's trading at 15. Huh. And you have how many shares go down? How many contracts we did on this? 2 contracts? Hmm. And Pony's trading at how much? Go up again? 15. Okay. I think there's more upside to Pony. I think that if we're gonna roll it, you want to roll it. Right now you kind of lose. You're in the profit right now. All right, because of you have a. But the thing is, the 1350 is capping you, so you want to roll this out. So I actually have Pony as well. I have 1,000 shares. Let's see let's go down. Let's see if we can roll it to $17, right? On the right side, on the right menu. Yeah, click on view, roll this position. Okay. So it's gonna cost us about 1.73 to get out. Let's look at September 1st. All the way to 1 month out. We're gonna play this as a long-term play, September 5th. All right. Let's see. 17 is 1.27. No, 15.5. All right, let's go farther. Let's go to September, the next date after September. It's 19. It's getting close. 15, you're gonna get paid a lot. 1750. What's it trading right now? I think this is fair. So let's click on the 1750. Yeah. Let's just pay the $64. All right. But what this does is takes your 1350 strike and move it up to 1750. So you plus $4. $4 times 200 shares, that's $800.
yeah.
Yeah. So to pay $64 and rolling up your strike at a higher strike lets you realize everything from 1350 all the way to 1750. Okay, but just paying $64. You already collected premium previously, but now it's in the money. So and it's better to be long, a little bit long, slightly long on Pony on this. So it makes sense to roll up 4 points and pay 64. You follow me?
Okay, yeah.
Okay, so hit continue. And then we don't want to pay that much. So let's see.
I never see like a
negative, yeah. That's why. So try 0.36. I don't think it'll get filled, but we'll try that. Let's see. And it's gonna be a debit. And then submit. Okay, good. All right, you roll up and out. Let's go back to the main page to see if it's rolled up. There you go. So your Pony says 1750, 919.